Hi guys, this is Shabadi. Today I am going to show how to make a tasty and delicious coconut shrimp fry in Caribbean style. Here we have the ingredients. I have garlic powder, cajun seasoning, black pepper, all-purpose flour, desiccated coconut, panko breadcrumbs, shrimp, peeled and deveined, and whole egg. Okay, first step, I'm adding the peeled and deveined shrimp. Okay, once I clean, I make it a little bit more opened. It absorbs more filling and it come out more crispy. That's the reason I keep it open fully, but I keep the tail because you can hold it while you eat. Right, I just took small amount. I'm adding garlic powder, like half teaspoon, cajun seasoning, half teaspoon, salt there is in the cajun seasoning, so that I'm going to add very less. For spicy, I'm adding black pepper, quarter teaspoon. Spicy is all up to you. You can add how much you want. So I'm add less spicy. Okay. So just blend together. Marinate and keep it for 15 minutes. The salt is not enough, so I'm adding like pinch of salt. Again mix it together. I marinate and keep it same way, like just open and keep it. Okay, it's easy for later cover with flour and egg wash. I'm giving rest for 15 minutes. Next step, I open 2 egg. Start mix the egg. Just a little bit. Just beat. Add a little bit of water. Our egg wash is ready. No need to add too much water, just add a little bit. Here I have desiccated coconut. I'm adding a little bit panko breadcrumbs. It gives more crispy to the shrimp. That's the reason I'm mixing together coconut and panko breadcrumbs. On the side, I'm heating the oil in a frying pan. 15 minutes done. Now I'm coating with the flour first. Okay, fully coated. Just coat and keep all the shrimp. First I coated with the flour. Now I'm dipping in the egg wash. And cover with panko coconut. Okay, so I'm going to get coconut flavor and more crunchy from panko breadcrumbs. So I'm going to do all same way. Look delicious. I'm expecting to fry and taste. This dish very easy and fast to make it for appetizer. Our coconut shrimp ready to fry. I covered all the shrimp with flour coating and given egg wash, dipped in the egg wash and covered with coconut and panko breadcrumbs. So it's ready to fry. The oil is hot. I keep it in medium heat. Our shrimp is here. and I have a strainer with the tissue, so it absorbs the remaining oil. Right? Let's start fry. Let's start fry our coconut shrimp. I'm frying this coconut shrimp in the medium heat. Wow, look at that. I'll just start turning back so it's fry even. Look at that. Nice golden color. Our shrimp is ready. I'm taking out. Our delicious coconut shrimp is ready. I have a sweet chili sauce and lemon wedge on the side. It goes well. The dip is on your choice. My favorite dip is sweet chili sauce. Let's try the coconut shrimp with the sweet chili sauce. Wow, nice, crunchy, very tasty coconut with the shrimp and the sweet chili sauce. Incredible. Our Caribbean style coconut shrimp fried is ready. So delicious and the taste is incredible. Very easy to make it at the Cajun spice, garlic powder, black pepper, desiccated coconut, panko breadcrumbs, all blended well with the sweet chili sauce. So delicious. The recipe and methods is so easy and simple. Try this recipe. Let us know in Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Do your comments in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe Buddy Vlogs if you are not done already so. If you like to know any other recipes, feel free to comment in the comment box. Definitely I will make it for you. Thank you so much. See you soon in next video.